Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to use the typewriter effect on your TikTok videos. This effect will show you a keyboard in the lower section of the video, and whatever you have typed in, it'll type it up again with the sound effects. So open your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign to create a TikTok video. Then tap on effects. Now this can be different for some people. You might see it in trending or in the new section. I found it in the new section, and also it might depend on countries to countries. So some countries might not have it. The effect should look like this with a keyboard screenshot and a text at the top. Tap on it and you should see a keyboard on the screen and a text where it says tap to edit. Tap on the text and type in what you want to say. Record your video or upload your video. Now you can create another clip with this typewriter effect, and you can keep doing that until 60 seconds or 15 seconds. Then you can add your stickers, and then you can post your video to TikTok. And there you go, that is how to use the typewriter effect on your TikTok videos. Hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, then please leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.